All right, so let's start exploring Google Classroom. So as you can see, it says, it has your name at the top. So Mrs. McFarland's PE class, my, section 3, 6th grade class code. This is going to be your stream right here. So this is where you'll see all your assignments posted. If you want to write something to your class. So right now I could just write, welcome to my class. I can't wait to start learning with you. Oops, sorry. And then post. Okay, and there it is on my stream. Okay, so then you have your tab for classwork. So you can create classwork here, and I will go further into that in a couple minutes. This is where you'll see, so you see teachers, which is just me, and then you'll have a list of all of your students, and then grades for all of your students. So, posting something to your stream. So when you click on here, you can see this is your options. So you can post it to whichever classroom that you would like to. You can do all your students, you can do individual classes. We can add here. So say we want to add a lesson or a video about, if we want to add a video to our class, okay, add. So I would come and add a link. Okay, add link. And then we can also add and go to File. And we can add anything in here that we would like. So we can go to like basketball resources, basketball skills. So let's do that. Insert there. Okay, so this is how to dribble basketball skills, and then you could write a little something about it. Please watch the video and read the basketball skills. Post. Okay, so that's how to upload a video and your skills onto your Google Classroom.